Alfred Dudley Tucker Eve Sr., 1916 to 1978, was a distinguished Bermudian sports administrator who lived on this property on the corner of Court and Dundonald Street with his family from 1942 to 1962. During which time, it functioned as an informal community playground. The neighborhood children will congregate there to play football and cricket, and even referred to it as their own Wembley Stadium. In fact, many of Bermuda's top footballers from the 1960s learned to play on the Eve property, coached sometimes by Dudley Eve himself. Dudley Eve was a prominent, respected citizen in the community who was heavily involved in sports, particularly football and cricket. He was an avid cricket player and an administrator for both sports. He was secretary of the Bermuda Football League and treasurer of the Bermuda Football Association. The father of three was also one of the founders of the Pembroke Junior football team throughout the 1940s and 1950s. He facilitated the sporting careers of some of Bermuda's top athletes and was instrumental in organizing the amalgamation of the black and white football leagues into one body, the Bermuda Football Union, now called the Bermuda Football Association, which is the governing body of football in Bermuda. At 6 foot 4 inches tall, he was affectionately dubbed the Gentle Giant and was known for his exceptional organization skills, particularly with regards to football. As a testament to his involvement and dedication to the sport, he was honored in 1978 by having a competition named after him, the Dudley Eve Cup. He was later inducted into the Bermuda Sports Hall of Fame in 2004.
Hamilton, Bermuda at its best.